So we are here with the next topic called It's All in the Follow-Up. It's all in the follow-up, my dear friends. So here we would had been touched with the customer. You explained this all the product about your services. He may said, I'll think about it and get back to you. That's it. You left that customer and you're waiting for the call back from him. It never ever expect a call back from the customer. You follow up till the deal is closed. You have to follow up. It's all in the follow up. How you followed up. How you followed up. Don't expect even 1% customers to call back. And don't bug the customers with the follow-ups. Always have an automation cycle fixed on your email list or your list of customers you're calling or your whatever. So once you call in a week twice, make a rule. You're going to call only 2 times in a week to the same customer. But don't stop till he buys the product. Till he says no. No means no. No other questions. Once the customer has said no, no means no. Straight away, take him into the not interested list. Nor you nor others from your colleagues or from your team, nobody should call him. Make a clear note in the CRM. No means no. It's a very clear word. When the customer says no, no means no. That's it. We should respect their decision. How big that client might be. Once he said no, we should not disturb him. But follow up till he says no. Follow up till he says no. Somebody we will be trying to reach a big clients. He will not have a time to look into your email, or he will not have a time to spend or survey on your product, or to look for the more options, to look into your website, or there might be a lot of obligations in making one decision. That might, the product cost might be a small 10,000 rupees product, or it might be a lakhs costed product, whatever it might be. The customer want to get the complete confidence on us, because these days especially we are living on this online world and we cannot trust anyone, and we are not walking into anyone's office to buy anything. Whatever these days, we are just simply trusting the brands and we are going by. We cannot change the minds or prospects, but don't give up. It's all in the follow up. Till the sale closes, follow up. Follow up. Every lead is very important, my dear friends. Every lead. Every customer is important to you. When you feed it this thing in your brain, you will not even get a question called no. Just don't send an email and leave there. Call them. Still calling works. Cold calling works. Still cold calling works. Don't become lazy. Just don't give up. follow up. It's all in the follow up. Never leave this rule. It's all in the follow up. I hope you are learning. This is a very key note point. It's all in the follow up. Till the deal is closed, keep following up. Catch you with the next topic.